Guys, we're gonna do a beautiful flank steak with a little chimichurri sauce on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and you get the alerts on all what we're doing here. All right. So what are we doing here today, guys? I got this wonderful, beautiful flank steak, and then we're gonna get it on the Foodi Grill. We're gonna grill it hot and fast. Gonna take it to medium rare. It's gonna be awesome. All right. And then while that's cooking, we're gonna make a wonderful chimichurri sauce. Just a lot of parsley, a lot of garlic, some salt, red pepper flakes, all that good stuff. It's all gonna be down below in the description. I'll put the amounts I used and what I used for the chimichurri sauce. All right. Nothing left to do but to get to it. So come on over to my Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island, and let's get started. I've already let it sit out, let it come up the temperature a little bit, took the chill off. Did a little kosher salt on it while it sat there. I'm gonna add a little of the spicier shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. I'll put a link down below for stuff. I figured just a little light covering of the spicier would make this taste really good. Okay, so we got the Foodi Grill on. We are going to grill max. Okay, 510 degrees. It's gonna be 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Gonna be a nice medium rare. We're cooking the temperature, so I don't know how long it'll actually be, but after the first couple minutes, we'll check the temp, do it a flip, then we'll come back in there. And let's make our lovely chimichurri sauce. So what we have here is our ingredients. We got 4 cloves of garlic, got about a cup of parsley, fresh from our garden. Little crushed red pepper, got a lime. We're gonna roll that out, get some of them juices flowing. Got extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna use about a teaspoon or 2 of that. Cracked black pepper, and we're good to go. Okay, also a little kosher salt. First thing we're gonna do is chop up all this parsley. Just gonna do a nice small chop. So we'll cut off the big pieces. You want a fairly good chop, nice mince of these. Okay, all minced up. Let's get in this bowl. All right, next thing we're gonna do, get these garlic cloves swished up. I love this garlic press. You can put it in there with the paper and all. It'll squeeze out. See that? Squeeze out all the pulp. The paper will come out. I'll put a link for this down below too. This thing is awesome. You can sit here and try to mince the garlic all up if you want. But you know me, I'm into working smarter, not harder. What we're going to do is make this even more of a paste. We're going to put just about a pinch of kosher salt in there. Just kind of mix it back and forth in there. Let me give it a little bit more of a little rough chop. Okay. This will just make it dissolve in there real nice. Okay, get that in there with the parsley. We'll put about a tablespoon of good olive oil in there, maybe a little bit more. Let's call it healthy too. I'll put the ingredients list for this down below in the portions. A bunch of cracked black pepper. Got some crushed red pepper. I like these a little spicier, but you put what you want in there. That's about half a teaspoon. Another pinch or two of good kosher salt. Now, a lot of people use red wine vinegar for their chimichurri. Hey, we're ready to add the steak. A lot of people use red wine vinegar for the chimichurri. I'm not a fan of vinegar of any sort. So for my acidity, that we're gonna use a little bit of lime in here. So I got a little juicer, a little lime juicer. Depending on how much juice comes out, we may do both sides, but I think 1/2 of the lime will be good enough. Rolling out the lime like that really does make a difference. And we're just gonna give it a mix. Get all those flavors incorporated. This isn't a real loose sauce, so I know it just looks like a lot of greenery in there, not a lot of olive oil, but this is what we're looking for right here. Real nice color. It's gonna add a lot of bright, vibrant flavor to the steak. So this is all done. Nice and mixed up, good flavors going. We're gonna put that in the fridge while we cook the steak. Let it kind of come together a bit. I mean, that's some good looking flavor right there. Okay, let's get our steak in there. It's going to be ripped and hot. Just know it. You ready for that sizzle? Good stuff. All right, we're gonna do a couple minutes and we'll check on it. Okay, I let it go a little bit longer before the flip. Got sidetracked, but it's okay. We're still looking good. We got some awesome grill marks in there. Dig it, dig it. Let's check the temps on it. 102, 101. Okay. We want to pull this right at about 130 internal. So let's give it a couple more minutes and we'll pull it out and let it rest. A couple minutes are up. Do one last little temp check. 124, 128, 29. Looking good. Whoa, sizzle, sizzle. Get it on the plate here. We'll let it rest. It's looking good. We're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, guys, it's time to cut in this bad boy. As always, we cut against the grain. So the grain's running this way. So we're gonna cut perpendicular to it on a bias. Right. Looks like we got a lovely medium in there. The carryover took it up a little bit in temp, but as we get to the thicker part, it's more medium rare. So it's gonna be amazing. Here, let's take a piece. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful medium rare. Lovely as can be. Let's fan these out a little bit. Add a little dusting of some finishing salt there. And you'll never know if I did it salt-based style or not. Alright, we got our lovely chimichurri sauce that's been just chilling. I'm just gonna put it over the top. Beautiful. We took a picture for the thumbnail. Now it's trying to try a little bite. Got me a little corner piece right there. Dip it in the chimichurri. Look at that. There's so many different contrasting flavors. Savory, a little sweet from the rub we put on there. The bright acidity of the parsley and the limes just turned out wonderful. Come on back and let's talk about it. I tell you, that was wonderful. That was a great steak. The aromas coming off of it, that brightness of that chimichurri sauce. cut through that meatiness of the steak. It just is amazing. All right, so I hope you guys give this one a try. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Let me know when you're gonna try it. Tag me on social media if you try any of my recipes. That's it for this week. All right, so if you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, hit the link down below in the description. Cooking with CJ merch, links down below in the description. Pretty much everything's down in the description. If you want to become a show producer, click on this link right here, and it'll get you over to my Patreon where you can help donate to the channel and keep us running strong. All right. I appreciate y'all being here. Have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.